Hi everyone, good morning. So, sa buhay natin, di ba meron tayong mga anak na the first time na tinry nilang tumayo, sobrang excited tayo. Tapos, madadapa, tatayo, madadapa. Once na madapa sila, ang ini-encourage natin is tumayo sila on their own. Hindi natin sinasabi sa kanila na magstay ka lang dyan. Kundi ang ini-encourage natin sa kanila, once na madapa sila, stand up, get up, baby, get up, anak, get up, anak, stand up, anak, get up. So, ang gagawin nila, they try, stand up, fall down, and they get up. Stand, fall down, and they get up. Sa buhay natin, it's time to get up. Ito na yung pagkakataon to get up. Yes, we fell down so many times sa mga na-encounter natin sa life natin. We fell down. And struggles tayo when we fell down. But don't stay there. Just get up. And it's time for you to get up. It's time for you to stand on your own. It's time for you to stand and get up. Walang ibang magtatayo sa'yo. And it's okay. It's okay to fall down. It's okay na maranasan natin na umagsak. Pero huwag kang magtagal. Huwag mong stuck yung sarili mo. Tumayo ka agad. Subukan mo agad na tumayo. Subukan mo agad na iangat yung sarili mo. And there's no other right time for you to do that, kundi right now. Just get up and stand up. Just get up. Okay lang kahit pa ulit-ulit ka ma-fail. Basta importante tumayo ka. Subukan mong tumayo. Subukan mong iangat yung sarili mo ulit. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.